But now we have another final A on the start of 1 kilometer. What has already started. Now we are watching C2 men under 16. On line 1 we have Czech Republic, Filip Šafařík and Zbyněk Pták. On line 2, Republic Moldavia, Cezar Amari and Timur Alexandrov. Line 3, Germany, Brain Maringhagen and Daniel Friedensen. Line 4, Hungary, Petr Solcet and Mate Perhač. Line 5, Hungary, Milan Mesaros and Ilias Mitropoulos. Line 6, Canada, Mark Vusina and Nikita Tsudnin. Line 7, Republic of Moldavia, Michail Kuliač and Stanislav Barnu. Line 8, Poland, Kacper Filipčák and Marceli Kravěč. And line 9, Samuel Veglianti and Alessandro Battistelli from Italy. After first split, Hungary has the lead of this final. Line number 5, Petr Solcek and Mate Perhač. On second place is also Hungarian crew. But we will wait. So we are almost in the last quarter of the race. And we will see what this last part brings. But still we can see two Hungarian crews on the first and second place. And Moldavia is going to the last meters of this race on a third place. But Hungary has a really, really big lead. And I think line number 5 is for sure the golden one, because the gap between the line number 5 and 4 is really big. So Hungary and Moldavia, these two countries and these two boats and these 3 boats are the medalists. So many medals in this final go to Hungary. Now we can see the winners. And these are their colleagues who are the silver. penultimate right.